in the previous video we have completed exercise 11. So now we will start exercise 11D. In that, first sum is divide. The previous video or previous exercise was of multiply. So in this exercise we will do division. First part is minus 16 AB square C by AB C. So first we will write minus 16 AB square C upon 6ABC. So as I told you, in multiply we will add the powers of same variable, and in divide we will subtract the power of same variable. So first we will divide the numbers. 2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 60. Now 8 and 3 are not divisible by any same number. So minus 8 upon 3. Now about the variable. Here 1 8, here also 1 8, cancel. Here b square, then here b. So 2 minus 1, 1. It means only b. Then c to c, cancel. Because 1c, here also 1c, cancel. So what is left? Minus 8 upon 3, b is the answer. Now move to the second one. 25x square y by minus 5y square. So 25x square y upon minus 5y square. See, 5 5s are 25 plus minus. So plus minus minus 5. Then x square. No other x in denominator, means x square. Then see, here y is having power 1. Here y is having power 2. It means denominator power is more than numerator's power. So we will take this numerator power in denominator in subtraction. It means this power will come in denominator. It means in denominator y raised to power 2 minus 1. So it means only y. So answer is minus 5x square upon y. Listen again. If denominator's power is more than numerator's power of same variable, so we will subtract that powers after taking in denominator. As here you can see, here power 1, here power 2. So this one power will come in denominator. So y raised to power 2 minus 1. It means y raised to power 1. It means in denominator only y. So answer is minus 5x square upon y. Move to the third part. 8x plus 24 upon 4, like this. So you can see this expression is binomial. So how we can divide this? So we will divide 8x upon 4 plus 24 upon 4. We will take 4 in denominator of 8x and also with 24, and this side will come 4 2s are 8, 2x, 4 6s are 24. It means 2x plus 6. Answer is 2x plus 6. Move to the fourth part. 4a square minus a by minus a. 4a square minus a upon minus a. So 4a square upon minus a. Then minus sign. This minus sign. A upon minus a. Listen again. 4a square upon minus a. Then this minus sign. Then a upon minus a. This minus. Now we will divide this. So plus minus minus. 4 as it is, because no number is in denominator. Then here power 2, here 1. It means a raised to power 1. So minus 4a. Now this. By 1 we can divide because they are same variable. So 1, 1. So minus sign, plus minus, minus 1. This we will take inside the bracket because two signs are coming together. 1 plus minus minus, so minus 1. This we will take inside the bracket. And minus 4a minus minus plus 1. So students answer is minus 4a plus 1. Now students see 8th part of divide. That is 10a cube minus 15a square by minus 5a square. So 10a cube minus 15a square b upon minus 5a square. So see this 10a cube upon minus 5a square. Then this minus 15a square b upon minus 5a square. This. So 5 2s are 10 plus minus minus 2. Now about the a. Here power 3, here power 2. 3 minus 2 means 1. A raised to power 1. So it means minus 2a. Then this minus 5 3s are 15 plus minus minus 3. About the powers. Here power 2. A is having power 2. Here also 2. So cancel. And what is left? B. So minus 3b inside the bracket. Then minus 2a minus minus plus 3b is the answer. Move to the 10th part. 9a raised to power 4b minus 15a cube b square plus 12a square b cube by minus 3a square b. So trinomial is given now. So it doesn't matter binomial or trinomial. We will solve in the same way. So 9a square 4 a raised to power 4 minus 15a cube b square plus 12a square b cube upon minus 3a square b. So 9a raised to power 4b upon minus 3a square b. Then minus sign 15a cube b square upon minus 3a square b. Then plus sign 12a square b cube upon minus 3a square b. So 3 3s are 9 plus minus minus 3. Here a is having power 4, here 2. It means a raised to power 2. Then b is having power 1, here also 1. So cancel. Then minus. Then 3 5s are 15 plus minus minus 5. Here a is having power 3, here 2. It means a raised to power 1. It means a only. Then here b is having power 2, here 1. So 2 minus 1 means 1 only b. And this we will take inside the bracket. Then plus sign. 3 4s are 12 plus minus minus 4. Now here a is having power 2, here also 2, cancel. Then about b. b is having power 3, here 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. Bracket close. Because two signs are coming together. Now we open the bracket. Minus 3a square minus minus plus 5ab plus minus minus 4b square. So this is the answer. Second sum, that is also divided. But in these type of sum, we will divide multinomial by multinomial. So see how we can divide. First part is n square minus 2n plus 1 by n minus 1. So first we will write n square minus 2n plus 1 upon n minus 1. So we will divide this in this way. Here we will write divisor, that is n minus 1. Here dividend n square minus 2n plus 1. So students, see carefully, by what number or variable we will multiply in n only n, not complete n minus 1. So by what number or variable we will multiply in n, that will become n square. find, so by what number we will multiply? We can divide this n square by this n. Then we can tell by that number or variable we will multiply in n. So when we will divide, what we will get? We will get n, because 2 minus 1 power will be subtracted. 2 minus 1 power, it means only n. So by n we will multiply in n, it will come n square. Now we get that variable or number, so by n we will multiply. So it means we will multiply in both, not only n, we will multiply in both. So that n we will write here. Now we will multiply in both with n, like this, n multiply n minus 1, like this. So when we will do the multiply of n multiply n minus 1, what we will get? N into n square. N into minus 1, so plus minus n into 1, n. Then subtract for subtraction. Now we will change the sign. You can see the sign here plus sign. It changes into minus. This we will write here. This minus sign changes into plus. Now we will consider new sign, not old sign. So n square minus n square, 0. It means cancel. Minus 2n plus n, minus n. Minus 2n plus n, minus n. Then we will take next number, that is plus 1. So now by what number we will multiply in n? That will come minus n. See, we can divide this minus n by this n to find the number. Minus n by n. So n to n cancel. Minus plus minus, it means by minus 1. So we will write minus 1 here, and we will multiply in both n and minus 1. So minus plus minus n. Minus minus plus 1 banda 1 plus 1. See by this also. Minus 1 multiply n minus 1. Minus plus minus n. Minus minus plus 1 banda 1. So minus n plus 1. Now subtract. Change the sign. Plus this n is having minus sign, changes to plus. This 1 is having plus sign, changes to minus. Minus n plus n cancel. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So what is left? Nothing. Any other number here? No. So this also cancel. Solution is completed. So answer is n minus 1. Move to the third sum. See students, 4a square plus 4a plus 1 upon 2a plus 1. So we will write in the same way. 2a plus 1, then 4a square plus 4a plus 1. So students, see by which number we will multiply in 2a, it will come 4a square. So we can identify like this, 4a square divided by 2a. So 2 to the 4. 2 about a. Here a is having power 2, here 1, means a. So by which number or term we will multiply in 2a, that will come 4a square by 2. So here we will write 2a. So by this 2a, we will multiply in both the terms, like this. 2a multiply 2a plus 1. So 2a into 2a, 2 to the 4a square. This we will write here, 4a square. Then 2a multiply 1, both are positive, means plus. 2a multiply 1 means 2a. So plus 2a. Now change the sign. Plus changes to minus, plus changes to minus. So plus 4a square minus 4a square cancel. plus 4a minus 2a means 2a. Then we will take next number also. It is plus 1. So by which number or term we will multiply in 2a? It will become 2a by 1 or positive 1. Here we will write plus 1. So 2a into 1, 2a. Then 1 into 1, 1. Now change the sign. Plus changes to minus. Plus changes to minus. 2a minus 2a cancel. 1 minus 1 cancel. No other number, then cancel. So answer is 2a plus 1. Now students, see fifth part of second sum. X square plus 4xy plus 4y square by x plus 2y. So first we will write x square plus 4xy plus 4y square divided by x plus 2. So this x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. Then there we will write x plus 2y. So by which variable or number we will multiply in x, that will become x square. So how we will identify? We will divide x square by x. So we will get x. So it means we will multiply by x. Then we will multiply in both the terms. Means complete expression. X multiply x plus 2y. So x into x square. X into 2y, both are positive, so plus 2xy. Now change the sign. Positive, negative, positive, negative. X square minus x square cancel. Then plus 4xy minus 2xy. 4 minus 2, 2xy. Then we will take plus 4y square. Now by which number or term we will multiply in x, that will come 2xy. So 2xy upon x. So x to x cancel. What is left? 2y. So by plus 2y we will multiply. So 2y into x, 2xy. Then plus 2y into 2y, 2 is a 4. Y is 1. Now change the sign. Plus changes to minus, plus changes to minus. 2xy minus 2xy cancel. 4y square minus 4y square cancel. Now any other term? No term. So this one also complete. So answer is x plus 2y. Now student, we will do seventh sum. Six x square plus 5x minus 6 upon 2x plus 3. So we will write like this: 6x square plus 5x minus 6 upon 2x plus 3. So by which number or term we will multiply in 2x, that will become 6x square. So 6x square upon 2x. We can do this. So 2 3s are 6. About power of x, 2 minus 1, 1. It means 3x. So we will multiply by 3x. So by 3x we will multiply in both the terms. So 3 2s are 6x square. Then plus, that also plus. So plus 3 3s are 9x. Now change the sign. Positive changes to negative. Positive changes to negative. 6x square minus 6x square cancel. 5x minus 9x minus 4x. Then minus, we will take minus 6 also. So then by which number or term we will multiply in 2x, that will come minus 4x. See, you can divide this. Minus 4x upon 2x. 2 2s are 4. Minus plus minus 2. About x, x to x cancel. So by minus 2. So we will multiply in both the terms. So minus 2 into 2x minus plus minus 4x. Then plus minus minus 3 to the 6. Now change the sign. Minus plus minus plus. So minus 4x plus 4x cancel. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel. No any other term. So solution is complete. So answer is 3x minus 2. Now students, see ninth part. That is 9x square minus 2xy plus 16y square by 3x minus 4. So first we will write 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square upon 3x minus 4. So this 9x square minus 24xy plus 16y square by this 3x minus 4. So by which number or term we will multiply 3x, that will become 9x square. So you can see 9x square upon 3x. So 3 is the 9. 3x here, x is at power 2, here 1, so 2 minus 1, 1, it means x. So by 3x we will multiply. So it means we have to do the multiply in both the terms. So 3x multiply 3x minus 4y. So 3 is the 9 x square. Then plus minus minus 3 4 the 12xy. Now subtraction. Plus sign changes to minus. Minus sign changes to plus. Then 9x square minus 9x square cancel. So minus 24xy plus 12xy, it will come minus 12xy. Then we will take 16y square. Now by which number or term we will multiply 3x, that will become minus 12xy. So see, minus 12xy upon 3x. So 3 4 the 12 minus plus minus 4 x 2x cancel, then y. So by minus 4y we will multiply. So we will write minus 4y here. So minus 4y 3x minus 4 minus plus minus 4 3s are 12xy minus minus plus 4 4 the 16y square. Now change the sign. Minus sign changes to plus. Plus sign changes to minus. So minus 12xy plus 12xy cancel. Plus 16y square minus 16y square cancel. No other term. So solution is completed. So answer is 3x minus 4y. This portion is rough. This we can rub. Now move to the 11th part. That is 35a2 plus 3a square b minus 2ab square upon 5a minus b. So 5a minus b, then 35a2 plus 3a square b, then minus 2ab square. So student, by which number or term we have to multiply in 5a, that will become 35a cube. So 5 7 the 35. Here power 3, here 1. It means 7a square. So it will come 35a cube minus plus minus 7a square b. Then change the sign. Plus changes to minus, minus changes to plus. 35a cube minus 35a cube cancel. Then plus 3a square b plus 7a square b means 10a square b. Then we will take minus 2ab square also. Now by which number or term we will multiply 5a, that will become 10a square b. See, 10a square b upon 5a. 5 to the 10. 2. Here a square, here a. It means only a. Then we will take b also. So by 2ab we have to multiply. So plus 2ab. So 5 to the 10a square b. Then minus plus minus 2ab square. Change the sign. Plus changes to minus. Minus changes to plus. So 10a square b minus 10a square b cancel. Minus 2ab square plus 2ab square cancel. No new other term. So solution is completed. So answer is 7a square plus 2ab. Fifth divide. Eighth part is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 by x square minus 4x plus 6. So it is also same, but only one thing is different. You can see here more number of terms are written. In divisor also 3 terms are written. So we will follow the same method to solve. So x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 upon x square minus 4x plus 3. So we can divide here. If no space is here, then we can divide. So x square, this x square minus 4x plus 3, then x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. So same this, by which number or term we will multiply x square, that will become x cube. So by x cube upon x square we will do, what we will get? X. So by x we will multiply all 3 terms. X into x square, x cube, minus plus minus 4x into x, 4x square, then plus both are positive, 3x. Then change the sign. Plus changes into minus, minus changes into plus changes into minus. X cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 6x square plus 4x square. Minus 6 plus 4 means minus 2x square. Then 11x minus 3x plus 8x. Then we will take minus 6 also. Now by which number or term we will multiply x square, that will become minus 2x square. So we can do this, minus 2x square upon x square. So x square to x square cancel. Minus plus minus. So minus 2. So minus 2 multiply all 3 terms. So minus 2x square minus plus 2 4s are 8x. Then minus plus minus 2 3s are 6. So change the sign. Minus changes into plus changes into minus changes into plus. So minus 2x square plus 2x square cancel. Plus 8x minus 8x cancel. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel. So no other term is written. The solution is completed. So students, answer is x minus 2. So students, watch the video carefully. Exercise 11D is completed. Thank you.